It's lit, y'all. We out here.
Wait, don't take a video of my dirty car.
We going to Canada. Oh my God.
Stop, I have to
It's fucking lit. We in traffic. Overt. Open, bitch.
Bruh.
Hi,
A lot of gang shit. Introduce yourself.
I'm Taylor Barker, his girlfriend. So don't slide in the motherfucking DMs. But hi.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived. There's a big ass H&M, a Canada Boost store.
They weren't speaking English, so I'm like,
Okay. Look nice out here. Yeah.
Smell of BMW?
we gotta hurry up and walk.
Sure, we about to fuck with what these people fucking with. Bro, bro, I think we jaywalking, bro.
We are jaywalking.
They say no, don't go. All right, come on, we out. Hey, we out. We out. Chilling.
We're looking at bars, right?
Yeah. He said like, there's two different streets. There's King and Queen, and I guess Queen has, you know, the chill food, the bar food, and King has the upscale food.
You wanna go in there? Okay, so.
So you watch basketball?
Yes, I do.
We were just
So do you?
We shut the rack.
You were, oh really? I bet. So this is perfect. I took your chocolate. You gotta answer my question.
Oh, shit.
So, so who do you prefer, Kawhi Leonard or DeMar DeRozan?
Kawhi.
Really?
He's cool with himself.
Okay, all right. We got chocolate, y'all. Gang.
That shit good as fuck.
This is what I'm about to eat. Ooh, let me see that. Okay. Looking great. What's your name, bro? My name's Sean. How you doing?
You already know. I know. I do photography too, bro.
Oh, you do? Where that?
Yeah.
S-H-A-U-N? Oh.
Yeah.
M-E-E-K. There we go. You got something you want to say to all my viewers in America?
Toronto's lit. You guys need to come here. Let's get it.
Kalani.
You know the Ashton photos. Baba, happy holidays 2019. Let's get it.
It's lit. Man. Oh, there it go. Was he actually sitting on that shit?
I think he got photoshopped.
It'd have been dope.
That's not very safe.
This looks dope. All right, come on, let's do it. Oh, it's very busy in here.
I got rose quartz.
A whole bunch of rocks up in here. Oh, is this like? Oh, okay. Out here looking for all these weed smoking Americans. That's what it is. They go to ops, nigga. Nah, not this nigga. This nigga. He the ops. Yo, they done caught my man slipping on these streets. Fuck, bro. R.I.P., man. Damn, lost another soldier. I mean, other than the dead rat, I must say it is pretty clean here.
Open the G-Wagon.
Where?
I want that right
Hey!
I want the G-Wagon.
It's Kawhi Leonard. Pretty sure we just ran into Kawhi Leonard on the low. Actually, we didn't. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Shit.
Okay, okay. True.
Are we out? Let's get it.
Cross on the streets of Toronto, baby. I'm from here.
I start eating good, boy. I ain't gonna mess with you, homie. That's all you. Let's get it. Let's get it.
Oh, here you go.
Where? Oh, there it is. Oh, that shit in the cut. Oh, the weed man in the cut. All right, here we go. No, we not. Oh, there's another one coming on the other side. Curtis. Yeah. So the weed man wasn't open. They whack. Wait. He trying to go in that shit. He trying to go in the dispensary. That just said they were closed. Yo, if he get in there, I'm gonna take. If he get in there, I'm gonna take. They not jacking nobody. Alright. I'm about to go in the Hooters for chicken wings. Chicken wings only. These just looking dope. Tasting dope.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
No one goes to Hooters for wings.
Alright, y'all. We found a new weed man. We about to see what he talking about. The cannabis store. Oh, let's get it. Hey. Oh, look at my trays.
They got the European one too. Good, how are you?
All right, so unfortunately, you can't buy marijuana at a store. You have to get it online. And it says you have to get it with a Canadian credit card. And I'm guessing your license. And since we're not Canadians, and we don't have a postal address to mail it to in Canada.
Canadian.
So me and Taylor are disappointed.
Yeah, a little bit.
Ooh, I thought she tried to pickpocket my shit. But she has straps. Yo, listen, y'all. I gotta show. So, you see her jacket? Do you see her book bag? So her book bag has straps, and her straps hit my arm, like right here in my pocket, like that. So I thought she was trying to steal from me, so I'm tripping. Oh. That's cool. It's like got the wheel spinning on that jump. So what's the vibes, Tay?
Well, I want to get in the car and sit for a minute because I'm fucking sleeping.
Facts. It's cold, y'all. About to slide out. Alright, guys. This was our little day trip to Toronto. The first vlog of many. Traveling vlogs. Let's see. Checklist what we did. We got some food. Check. We got high. Check. We went to the smoke shop. Check.
But you gotta show my my bender one, my Futurama one. I got my own, guys.
Check.
But wait, let me zoom in on that. Look at
Feel me?
that. See that?
You feel me?
Quality shit. Yay, gang shit! Gang shit!
Yo, it's it's lit out here in Toronto, bro. Everybody shows love, bro. I like it. Yo, and we got a nice little lighter. Check. So, listen, bro.
I think he wanted us to roll the window down, but it's too late. He ran away somewhere.
It's too cold outside.
Yeah.
For all that shit. All right, y'all. We about to get up out of here, though. Day trip has concluded.
Back to Buffalo. Definitely a good trip. Kind of low-key celebrate my graduation because your girls are finally, you know, a nurse. I'm not going to give details because then I ain't trying to get ruined.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, so it was really fun and more vlogs coming soon.
Facts.
Definitely going all over the place. Coming up, 2019, we're gonna do a cross-country trip in an RV. We're gonna rent an RV and we're going all the way to Cali, go to Vegas. So on that one for the updates. And yeah, it was a pleasure. Deuces.